He's flying. Wait, what just happened? 1 second he's unstoppable, the next down on the ground. The crowd goes silent. You can feel it. This isn't just pain, this is fear. Every athlete's nightmare playing out right here. Teammates rush in, hands on heads, eyes wide, because this isn't about winning anymore, this is survival. But here's the thing, champions aren't made when they're on top. They're made right here in the dirt when the world thinks they're done. He's breathing heavy, eyes locked ahead.
The sky cracks open, whispers loud, a shadow